Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm here to introduce you to unmanned helicopter or drone video real-time monitoring and recording solution using APPNC 2000 HDMI video encoder and IMSR dual redundancy VMS solution. APPNC 2000 HDMI video encoder supports full HD codec service and subtitle generation service for satellite CCTV application. Especially H.265-based high-quality D1 HD compression video is applicable to very low bandwidth satellite network-based video surveillance for helicopter or drone, etc. APPNC 2000 satellite video codec processes the 30 frames of Full HD, D1 CIF images per second based on H.265, H.264 compressed codec standard in real time. A user may set up an appropriate frame rate and bitrate in accordance with the triple video encoding function and H.265, H.264 concurrent video encoding function and manual mode. At automatic mode, APPNC 2000 supports dynamic network adaptive video rate control like as picture size control, bandwidth control according to satellite network status using RTCP channel monitoring protocol. Normally, this scalable video coding scheme has a strong advantage in error reverse characteristics. APPNC 2000 supports HDMI, component input, S-video, analog video input interfaces. Also, it supports Gigabit Ethernet interface and is designed to fit for next-generation network environment. RTSP, RTP, SRTP, RTCP-based transmission protocol and management function with a Smart Web Manager can be main advantage of APPNC 2000 video encoder. Also, APPNC 2000 satellite video encoder interworks with EDPAC's ISMS Integrated Security Management System, which is installed in central headquarters site. EDPAC ISMS software for satellite CCTV applications supports H.265 video codec, smart CCTV viewer software for very low satellite bandwidth, real-time satellite bit error rate estimation function via RTCP protocol, satellite network adaptive video bitrate control, real-time satellite network status display, etc. EDPAC ISMSR software package for satellite CCTV application supports active standby system duplication scheme for fault-tolerant CCTV service as an option. In local area network, EDPAC CCTV VMS software can support RTSP-based active system duplication schemes, but in satellite-based application network, it doesn't support sufficient transmission bandwidth for active RTSP-based high-quality CCTV service. Also, as an additional service, ISMSR supports the security video player for secure video play. Without password information, general video player can't read ISMS unrecorded CCTV video file. Of course, ISMSR software can generate the CCTV video file for general MS Windows video player. This video player is dedicated software for ISMSR software package. This is demonstration about helicopter drone video real-time monitoring and recording using APPNC 2000 and AP ISMS.